And then make sure that this green button is on too.
Oh, which one? Okay. Oh, that one. Okay.
Yeah. And then make sure that this green power button is on too. It'll be orange if it's not on. When it pops up this message, you'll just hit OK, eject/insert, and then there's always a second tray out here, so I'll always just put my slides on the second tray, and then I can switch. So you're gonna grab from the handle right here, place it in between where these little lines are, and you're gonna push until you hear a click. Now it's gonna scan our slides. So now it's going to show us the different slides we've put in there. You're going to check box yes and hit OK. Okay, now if you hit this button up here, it'll make this or this one big, like the entire screen. So I'm going to hit this button. Okay, and now I can either increase my magnification by choosing up here, or I could just left click on any area. To fix the focus, you're going to use this little scrolly part of the mouse. Okay, we don't have to fix the magnification. If this is too dark for you, you can go to where it shows the little eye, image adjustment, and go to illumination. And now that's a lot brighter, right? Usually what I'll do for like your guys' cell blocks is I'll start on the outer regions and I'll start kind of scrolling through like this. Okay?
So you are left click and drag, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So left click and drag. If I wanted to take a picture of this, like let's say I was like, oh, this is good, I'm gonna hit the little camera button right here. And then you can have it in active view where you just see what you're looking at right now, or you can do oh, never mind. It won't let us do this one. But you can have it include the label right here, annotations and measurements, scale and size info, magnification info, slide name, overview image, or you could just say, I don't want all of this information. Or you could be like, I do want the label, but that's all I want, or I want the magnification and that's it. Whatever you choose to do, you'll hit save. And when you have your USB drive, you'll obviously plug it in at the bottom over here. And then you would just save it, like let's say it's this one, you would hit this, and then you would rename it like the tap stain, and you would save it to your USB drive and then hit save.
Okay.
And that's it.
Cool.
But yeah, so this is how you use it. So let's look at your slide. Let's see what you... Okay, and so once I was done looking at this one, I'll hit this button. And then I can hit the same exact button, but over this side. So then I can look at this slide instead. Before you could do the illumination, you do have to increase your mag to at least 2.5.
Okay.
And if I wanted to go to a certain region on the slide from here, you can also click up here too. Like I could be like, okay, let's start right here, and it'll take me there too. protocol really quick.
Oh, hold on.
Again, pretend that it's been in there the whole time.
Right.
So now we're looking at the slide, right? If I wanted to take my slides out, you're gonna hit this button right here, the eject button.
Okay.
So you'll hit eject. Do you want to close this slide? Yes.
Okay.
And so now it's gonna open this. And then you always want to have this door shut. The only way it'll shut though is if you put a tray in there. So I'm gonna put this empty one since no one's gonna use it. Like look at slides right now. It's gonna take it, and then you leave this extra one right here, and you'll just hit cancel, and then we can close the application, and that's it.
Okay, cool.